The U.S. National Academy of Television Arts and Sciences has unveiled the recipients of the 2024 Technology and Engineering Emmy Awards and announced that the ceremony honoring the recipients will take place at the NAB New York Media and Technology Convention in New York, October 2024, at the Javits Center.
As we commemorate 75 years of this prestigious award, this year's winners join a legacy of visionaries who used technology to shape the future of television. Congratulations to all,
said Dina Weisberger, co-chair of Academy's Technology Achievement Committee. Honorees include BBC, NBC, DirecTV, CommScope, Amagi, Pluto TV, Turner, MLB, the FCC, and others. The full list is presented at the Academy's website.
Sustainability in AV, SAVE, the first US-based organization to bring stakeholders in the audiovisual field to take concerted action to achieve the 2030 Sustainable Development Goals, announced Sony Electronics as impact sponsor for SAVE 2024. The event will provide educational forums, workshops, and planning sessions over the course of a day and a half. Stakeholders from across the globe will gather to meet, learn from, and share ideas on how to make substantial progress in areas related to responsible waste management, life cycle carbon emission reduction, and reduced energy usage. The event will take place on March 14th and 15th at UCLA Luskin Conference Center, Los Angeles, California.
Broadcast Electronics, part of the Alinos Group, announced that Joe Myers has rejoined the company as Eastern Regional Sales Manager for all company products and service in the Eastern United States and portions of the Caribbean. Myers will be based in Lexington, South Carolina. Myers held multiple senior sales roles with companies including Harris Broadcast and Gates Air, ENCO, DJB, and a previous stint at Broadcast Electronics. In addition, Myers has a strong background in the programming of radio stations. Most recently, he served as Director of Sales at the Max Connect Group, expanding their business as a full-service technology solutions provider.
Vox has announced an extremely limited special edition of its AC custom amps in classic vintage red. Available on AC10C1, AC15C1, and AC30C2 models, the scarlet finish is set off with black and gold diamond fret cloth and a classic Vox rectangular badge. The AC line was a choice for such luminaries as Queen's Brian May and the Beatles. In terms of the specs, the amplifiers remain unchanged. The AC10C1 is a 10-watt model, with two EL84 and two 12AX7 tubes and a 10-inch Celestion VX10 speaker, while the range tops out with the 30-watt AC30C2, featuring a pair of 12-inch 8-ohm Celestion G12M greenback speakers. All the models will become available in April.
PPDS announced at ISE 2024 that it is the exclusive official supplier of LED and digital signage display for Football Club Barcelona's Spotify Camp Nou stadium redevelopment, and earmarking its new outdoor lineup to answer the club's needs for more than 2,000 square meters of outdoor LED, including 2 concourse rings and 3 video scoreboards. With the renovated stadium scheduled for completion in 2026, a range of Philips professional displays has already been selected, playing an integral role in a new FC Barcelona fan experience. The 10,000 nit, ultra-high bright Philips Urban LED 6000 series was designed for flexibility, reduced energy, and powerful visual performance, for viewing distances of between less than 1 meter and up to almost 30 meters.
Tyler Perry, the U.S. film and TV entrepreneur, has put on hold the $800 million expansion of his Atlanta studio complex after the release of OpenAI's Sora, and warned that a lot of jobs in the film industry will be lost to artificial intelligence. Perry said he had been in the process of adding 12 sound stages to his studio, but has halted those plans indefinitely after he saw demonstrations of Sora and its shocking capabilities. The AI tool was launched on February 15th and caused widespread astonishment with its ability to produce realistic footage a minute long from simple text prompts. Concerns over the impact of AI on jobs were a feature in recent strikes by Hollywood actors and writers, with the peace deals that ended those disputes both featuring guardrails on using the technology.
A team of photonic engineers affiliated with several institutions in China has developed a new type of optical DVD that is capable of holding up to a petabyte of data. The group used a new material to coat the DVDs and new laser techniques to write data. The team in China found a way to store significantly more data on a DVD than currently available 4.5 gigabytes, using an entirely new approach. It involves storing data in 3D instead of as a single layer. The team found they were able to store data on a single disk with up to 100 layers. To create them, the team developed a special coating and then developed a way to etch the individual layers using special patterns of light and a dye in the coating that allowed for etching at the nanoparticle scale. This allowed them to store data at an unprecedented level.
Dear colleagues, if you want your news to be included in Briefly, please contact us in the comments. Let's make news together.